Good afternoon, sir. My name is Jaime Morelius, and this is the generation of the computer. Introduction. The evolution of the computer over time is categorized into distinct generations, each marked by significant technological advancement that transform computing capabilities. This generation reflects the progression from the early mechanical devices to today's powerful, compact digital system. The first generation of the computers. The technology behind this primary generation of the computers was a fragile glass device which called a vacuum tube. These computers are very heavy and large. These weren't very reliable in programming on them was a tedious task they used to allow level programming language and had no OS. Machine and pinaka first generation sa computer. The second generation of the computers used the technology of transistor rather than bulky vacuum tubes. Another feature was the core storage. A transistor may be a device is composed of the semiconductor materials that amplifies, assign, or open or close a circuit. This is the second generation of the computer. The third generation of the computer, during the third generation of the computer, technology envisaged a shift from Hodge transistor to integrated circuit, also refers to as ICS. Here a variety of the transistor were placed on the silicon chips called semiconductors. This is the third generation of computer. Fourth generation of the computer. In 1971, first microprocessors were used. The largest scale in the integration LSI circuit built on a one chip called microprocessors. The advantage of this technology is that one the microprocessor can contain all the circuits required to perform arithmetic, logic, and control function on the one chip. This is the fourth generation of the computer. And the last fifth generation of the computers. The technology behind the fifth generation of the computers is AI. It allows computers to behave like humans, and it is often since the programs like voice recognition, the area of the medicine and the entertainment. This is the fifth generation of computers, and that's also thank you.